My mother used to tell me that our brain doesn't read no's. She used to tell me to learn how to live what I believed and always, always say yes to what I wanted instead of keep fighting against what I didn't want. Daughter, instead of saying no to war and fighting against it, live peace and say yes to peace instead of no to war. I see a huge potential in the world right now to elevate its consciousness because many minorities who didn't have a say now are part of building a much, much stronger collective wisdom. And when these minorities are part of a collective without distinction, this is the moment that our true wisdom will be unleashed. But if we fight against each other, these precious moments are lost. The same goes for differences between countries, religions, or political views. I see a world where all the differences are a variety of perspectives that will allow us to see the situation from more and more sides, giving us many solutions to all the existing problems that we never thought. I made a presentation this year on how to lead diversity and polarities to outstanding results. And I really believe we can do it when we align purposes. I am recording this presentation as a course, a masterclass, and soon I will share. And I really believe that it will really help leaders learn the beauty of being surrounded by diverse thoughts and beliefs. But seeing this fight these last years has made me really reflect a lot on wanting each time more to live what I believe. And I believe in the infinite potential of humanity when driven by purpose. And my purpose is to elevate humanity's consciousness. And I will keep my work believing that we can reframe our fights to align on what we want in common. A peaceful and harmonic life where there is a space for all of us together with our diverse beliefs and really living compassion and loving kindness. I will leave you with this reflection. How can we celebrate more and more the gift of diversity with compassion and loving kindness to build this collective wisdom that we all deserve? Think about it and celebrate all the different thoughts that we have around us. I wish you great and peaceful holidays to all of us. Enjoy your holidays with your families and stay in peace and harmony.